In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record credit card transactions in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enter both purchases and credits, so your credit card activity is tracked properly and your accounts stay accurate. Let's start with where to record the transaction. When you're entering a purchase made with your card, open the Plus New button and choose Expense. If you received a credit, such as a vendor refund or a cashback credit, use Plus New and choose Bank Deposit. Picking the right form at the start keeps your balances and reports aligned with what happened. Next, select the Payee. This is the vendor, supplier, or customer connected to the transaction. Use the same name you typically use for that counterparty, so your vendor and customer reports remain consistent and easy to search. Now choose the payment account and select the specific credit card you want to record the transaction under. This tells QuickBooks which card's balance should change. Double-check you're on the correct card if you have more than one, as that's a common place for mix-ups. Enter the payment date. Match the date on your receipt or the date the transaction posted to your card. Keeping dates accurate helps with statement matching and month-end review. Set the payment method to credit card. This ensures QuickBooks treats the entry correctly for reporting and balances. Select the category for the expense, like office supplies, utilities, or whatever best describes what you purchased. Using the right category gives you cleaner profit and loss reports and helps you understand where your money is going. If you're recording a credit, choose the same category you used for the original expense so the credit offsets it correctly. Enter the amount of the transaction. Take a moment to verify tax, fees, or discounts are reflected in that total if they apply to your entry. If you have extra details to remember, add a memo. You can also attach a receipt or supporting document. Storing documents with the transaction makes future questions easy to resolve and supports clean record keeping. When you're done, click Save and Close. If you have more transactions to enter, choose Save and New to move right into the next one without losing your pace. Repeat this process for any credit card purchases or credits that weren't imported through your bank feed. Doing so keeps your card balance and financial reports up to date and minimizes reconciliation headaches later. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.